Frustrated by the Unity Engine Timeline DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. I recommend the automated system scan for Unity Engine Timeline to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Unity Engine Timeline, a critical module for Unity Engine games managing cinematic triggers. If missing, games will crash during scripted cutscenes. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Since Unity Engine Timeline DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Unity Engine Toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Unity Engine Timeline file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Unity Engine Timeline DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Unity Engine Timeline. To keep Unity Engine Timeline running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.